Hello, this is Don White. This will be an introduction on how to set up banners and background images for your websites. This is a function that is only available for administrators. So let's go ahead and continue. Here is my sample test site that I have for GoClub.us. As you can see on the background, I have some rock images that is common across all the web pages. To be able to set that, go to Utilities and go to Administrator Site Options. At that point, you can see at the bottom here it says Select Background Image. Go ahead and do that. You will be presented a good number of images. Right now is 46 images that you can select from. Or if you would like to add your own image, you have a function down here that says Browse. You can select the file that you would like to also add. Now please remember, when you do add an image here, it will be shared across all GoClub sites, including yours and anybody else who wants to use it. As you can see, many people have added their own. And then that will include animated GIF files right here. So if I select that, as you can see, the background image is moving. Sometimes that's annoying to people. So you can also have a nice calm background image, or something that is very colorful. For example, like you have some nice squirrels over here. But that's basically it. At that point, all your members will see the background image. And that's the only thing you have to do for setting up the background image. Let's go into talk about banners. Banners are a little bit more complicated. Banners will present a text or picture or multiple pictures just below this marquee message and above the photos here, right in this line right here. So that's where your banner is going to be, and the banner is only available on the home page here, or the front page. To be able to do a banner, go into Utilities, again under Administrator Site Options. Down here it says Link to Banners. The most common I have a number of banners that I've already set up. But to add a banner is very, very simple. Go up here, click Add Banners. You will get a headline that says Testing Banners. And then for a very simple one, you can just put in any text that you would like. And then go ahead and hit Save. And at that point, there is a link up here that says Make Homepage Banner Item. If you click that, as you can see, this is a very simple banner. It's as simple as it gets. As you can see, your text right here. Now, maybe you want to center that text. And that is used by the HTML commands of center. So let's go ahead and do that. Again, go to the Administrator Site Options. Click on Link to Banners. The testing banners that we just looked at. Go ahead and hit Advanced Edit. And we're going to put in the HTML center and /center commands. And that will center this particular text message. Again, hit Save. Again, make the banner item. As you can see, now this is a test banner. It has been centered in the page. Again, the banner is just a very, very simple banner. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit more highlighted by increasing the size of the font for this particular message. Again, go to Utilities, go to Administration Site Options, click on the Link to Banners, go to the test banner that we've been working with, go to Advanced Edit, and we're going to increase the font size let's go ahead and increase it to font size of 5. And always remember, if you put in a HTML command, you always have to end it with a slash command, like I'm showing you here. Hit save. Go ahead and make the item a home page, and you can see now this is a much larger text on the banner. So let's say if we want to go ahead and add an image to this particular banner. The best way to do it, again, going to Site Options, the banners, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at one of them already here that we have, is this Mountain Picture 1. Now I've included this as a picture to my photo album. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, the photo albums, and it's called Mountain Wide. And there's a new feature here called Photo HTML. So once you add a picture to a photo, you will get 3 image commands, which are HTML image commands: a full size, a medium, and a thumbnail size. And if you look at it, the only difference between the 3 is the last character of the source. And the high resolution or full size, it ends with an H, as the medium size ends with an M, and the thumbnail ends with an S. So you can go ahead and take this particular image, copy and paste it, and when you go back into the banners, and let's go ahead into our testing little banner here. Again, click Advanced Edit, and I want to go ahead and add this image to that particular text. Again, hit Save. Now, one of the things you may find out that this particular image is fairly wide. It's actually wider than we want to have it. The maximum width that you want to have an image on the site is 1,000 pixels. So let's go ahead and fix this. To be able to do that, go ahead and click Advanced Edit. And as part of the image command, there is a width option, and we can say, I want a width of 1,000. And again, I hit save on that. And I say, this image now is much smaller and is ideal for our home page. Again, make this image the banner item, and voila, you have now the text and a particular image. If you would like to, you can go into adding a new banner. If you would like, and just add it as a file or picture, and I will automatically pick that up and put it in there. But if you want to have more control of where you want the picture to be, what the size of the picture should be, if you want to have multiple pictures, then a little bit of HTML goes a long ways. Let's go ahead and look at another example I have here. I have here of some text at the top and a little bit of text at the bottom. Let's go ahead and look at that HTML here. To do so, we have the center command, the font command, to make the font a little bit larger. Again, closing the font and closing the center. We have the image command with the width option on here, and that should be 1,000. And then a simple thank you. If you want to have multiple lines, the HTML command for another line is /br. So this would be line 2. Again, we can go ahead and hit save. As you can see here, the thank you, and line 2 is right there. Again, make that a banner item, and that's what you see. Hopefully you enjoy this, and you will enjoy putting banners on your site. Again, thank you so much. If you have any other questions, please use the help link at the top of each page, and I will receive that and get back to you usually within 24 hours. If you would like to see any of these additional functions that I'll be adding to the site, this is under the site link. Again, thank you so much.